Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to buy preferred stock on Interactive Brokers step by step. The first thing you need to do is find the correct ticker symbol for the preferred stock you want to buy. Preferred stocks use different ticker formats depending on the exchange. For example, a New York Stock Exchange preferred stock might appear as something like CDR-B, while a NASDAQ preferred stock typically has a fifth letter, usually P, at the end. Use a preferred stock database like quantumonline.com or preferredstockchannel.com to find the exact ticker symbol you need. Once you have the ticker, open Interactive Brokers and click on the magnifying glass icon. You'll find it at the top of most screens on the mobile app, or in the search bar if you're on desktop. The search field will open. Type the ticker of the preferred stock you want into the search bar. You'll see the stock appear in the search results. It might show up on different exchanges with the exchange code next to it, like NYSE or NASDAQ. Click on the preferred stock when it appears in the results. The stock detail page will open showing the ticker, the current price, and your available balance. Now click the blue buy button on the stock detail page. The order screen will open, you'll see your buying power and your current position, which will be 0 if this is your first purchase. Enter the number of shares you want to buy in the quantity field. Make sure the quantity multiplied by the price doesn't exceed your available balance. For the order type, select Limit from the drop-down. A limit order lets you set a maximum price you're willing to pay. Once you select Limit, a limit price field will appear. Enter a limit price that's a few cents above the current market price. This virtually guarantees your order executes immediately while protecting you against any sudden price spikes. Next, you'll see a time and force option. Good till cancel is commonly used for individual stocks, so you can select that if you want your order to stay active until it fills or you cancel it. Review all your order details carefully, double-check the ticker symbol, the quantity, the limit price, and the order type. When everything looks correct, click the Submit button. You'll see an order confirmation, and the order will appear in your Orders tab. After the order fills, the preferred stock will show up in your portfolio, and you'll start receiving dividend payments according to that stock's dividend schedule. You can check the Orders tab anytime to confirm your order executed. The main difference between buying preferred stock and common stock is just the ticker symbol format. Once you've got the right ticker, the rest of the process is identical. And that's how to buy preferred stock on Interactive Brokers. Thanks for watching.